Hello friends, in this series of Python database connectivity, today we are going to see pymysql installation. So pymysql is one module that we need to use in Python database connectivity. So first we will see why we need pymysql. So here we have our Python application and here we have mysql rdbms. Through this Python application, we are going to interact with this mysql. But this mysql can understand only SQL language, and the application we have written here, it is in Python. So here two different languages are used, but these two application needs to communicate with each other. So that's why we need one driver module, so that is pymysql. So if we relate this to real time scenario, for example, there are people two people from different countries and they don't know each other's language. So what they are doing, there is one translator who is translating their languages, and because of that those two people can interact with each other. So in the same way, this pymysql module will act as a translator between these two applications. So this is one driver module, so that is pymysql. So as we are using here mysql rdbms, that's why we need here pymysql. So if we are using another rdbms, so you have to install another driver module. So for mysql you need pymysql. So how to install this? First you need to open cmd. So once this cmd is open, make sure your computer is connected to internet, and here you have to give pip install pymysql and you have to press enter. So here it is showing successfully install pymysql 1.1.0, right? So in this way you can install this pymysql module. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. Thank you.